Hello friends and family, I hope you're all okay. Well, this time around I didn't want to burden you guys with my long essays, so I decided to record a video to share my story and so that you guys can put a voice to the typewriter. Anyway, so as you all know, Vive Church is making 1 year, and today morning someone sent me a message. I'll just read it. It says, "The Lord himself goes before you and will be with you. He'll never leave you nor forsake you. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged." This is Deuteronomy 31 verse 8. And they go ahead to say that when the Lord goes before you, he levels the path for you. He provides for what you will need and generally guides your journey. Like most of you might know, I lost my baby girl in March, and incidentally I joined Vive Church last year in October, so it feels like God actually did lead me there. And throughout this time when we've been grieving our child, we've had the support of friends and family, and most of these friends have been from Vive Church. So it's been a community we've been plugged in. It's been very supportive, and I honestly do not know how I would have handled without them. I think part of my strength is derived from the fact that I had a really supportive community around me, and this is the Vive community, the Vive Church community. Like I've mentioned in my stories before, this wasn't the first loss, this was my second. And if I look at my journey after I lost my grandfather and my journey after I lost my child, I've seen a bit of a difference with the way I've handled the situation, especially given that I have had more courage to move on. Not moving on in the sense of, I don't know how to explain it, but pretty much dealing with my grief while continuing to grow spiritually and finding peace. And I honestly attribute most of this to the community around me. So even you out there, if you would like to join a community that is very supportive, that stands with you, that catalyzes purpose, then please do join Vive Church. Yeah, and happy anniversary to Vive Church.